Hello and good morning and welcome to the stock market today for Thursday, May 9th. We have the Nasdaq up 0.21% today and is continuing its 2024 rally and is back up near its all-time high after dipping slightly in mid-April. And same sort of story for the NYSE. We have the NYSE up 0.44% today and is continuing to rally again after seeing that slight dip last month. And next up we have the S&P 500, which is up 0.34% today, coming back up on its all-time high that we saw earlier this year, also recovering from that dip that we saw a few weeks ago. For the top gainers today, we have SciTime Corp holding the top spot over 28% thanks to a great earnings call yesterday. One notable mention is Planet Fitness, which is up around 6% today and is gaining traction after sliding 50% from its all-time high set in late 2021. For top losers, we have the Stevanato Group taking the top spot, which is down around 22% today after missing on earnings. Notable mentions include Roblox with a 21% drop after providing weaker than expected guidance for 2024, as well as Airbnb, which is down 6% on soft guidance as well. And for most actives, we have Tricon Residential taking the top spot, followed closely by Roblox, as well as lots of very familiar securities. No surprises here. And that is the stock market for today. Please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and I will see you next video.